In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PNG color from black to white using Canva. This is a useful skill if you're looking to personalize graphic elements or simply want a fresh, clean look for your designs. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're logged in, either create a new design or open an existing black and white design that you'd like to edit. This will be our canvas for the day as we transform the colors in just a few simple steps. Once your design is open on the screen, click on the design element you wish to modify. To begin the transformation process, we need to enter the editing suite. Look towards the top toolbar and click on Edit. This action will reveal additional features and tools you'll use further in our tutorial. Next, hover down and search for the Effects section in the editing panel. This is where Canva houses all its wonderful filters and customizations that will give your elements a brand new look. From the available options, seek out and click on Duotone. Duotones are perfect for changing colors because they allow you to play around with highlights and shadows. Under Duotone, you'll see various preset options, but what you need to do is click on Custom. This option lets you manually set the colors, which is ideal for our specific need today. Now to invert the colors and change our black to white, you will start by changing the highlight color to black. Following that, change the shadows. These are currently black and need to be turned white. This swap effectively inverts the original colors, giving your PNG a fresh white facade. It's important to ensure that the intensity is set to 100 for the full effect, so everything turns out sharp and clear. Once your design looks right, click again on the photo and hover over the floating toolbar. The next essential step is to click on BG Remover. Its job is to clean up any colored remnants that might detract from the image's black and white appeal, perfect for maintaining the integrity of your design. After performing all these tweaks, it's time to finalize and download your project. Navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click Share. Then select the download icon. For the highest quality result, choose PNG as your file type. Don't forget to check the transparent background option. This setting ensures that your design's background remains clear and undisturbed by unwanted colors, making the white truly pop. Finally, click Download. Your beautifully transformed image will now be saved to your device, ready for use wherever you require it. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a PNG's color from black to white using Canva. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your future creative endeavors.